Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of configuring a proxy in the FollowingLike program. With this setup, you can easily and efficiently enhance your social media profiles. Open FollowingLike on your computer. Go to the Proxy tab in the workspace. You will see the Proxy Setup window. If you already have a list of proxies saved on your computer in .txt format, click Input and select the file. To manually enter a proxy, in the proxy field, enter the IP and port separated by a colon. If it is a free proxy, there is no need to enter anything else. For private proxies, enter details in the following format: IP, port, username, and password separated by a colon. After entering the details, click Add to add the proxy to the work field. It is important to use the proxy with a specific account. Select the account and corresponding proxy, then click Bind Proxies. Repeat the process for all accounts that you want to bind with the proxy. When all accounts have been set up with the proxy, click OK. Go to the IP tab in the Working field. Click Bind Fingerprints to change your location based on the specified proxy. Click OK to finish the setup. Your proxies are now configured and ready for use with your accounts. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.